Hey everybody, welcome to Tugs. I'm Anthony, and this is What's in My Fridge.
Hey. Oh, by the way, it's not your fridge, it's mine. Can't you see the handwriting right there? As you can perfectly see, it's right here. That's my writing in that right there. Wait! Anyways,
Yeah.
welcome to episode
Number 2.
Number
3.
Two.
Okay, 2. Okay, fine, 1. I know we did 1. It's 2.
Anyways,
I'm only joking.
here's the first thing that we're doing today. I already kind of ate some of this stuff.
What is it? What is it?
One sec. Could have wrecked this. Oh no! Whoops. It's blue raspberry Turkish taffy by the company Bonomo. So you smack it and it cracks. Kind of like Terry's chocolate orange. I kind of honestly like it. What do you think?
I can't eat taffy.
Why?
Because my caps on my tooth come off.
Oh, so
But if you want to put this back.
yeah. I thought just eat something.
It's alright. Not the greatest, but it's alright.
So what would you give it?
I'm gonna give it a 5.
I'll give it a 7. Why you dare may ask, even though I just made that sexy face while eating it? I just do it.
I'm just random.
Next we got
Razzles.
what? Dang, I got it upside down again. Okay.
Razzles?
Razzles, yeah. Apparently it's a Canadian product that I found back at Nostalgia & Co. So, what flavor do you want? We got lemon, raspberry, grape, orange, and blueberry.
I want rape.
Dude, just no. Come on.
Oh wait, I want a lemon, a grape. I want all the colors.
You want all colors?
Yeah, because then we can rate them by color.
Okay.
Which one tastes the best?
Here you go. Here's all those.
One more?
Orange.
Alright, we're gonna go with BLUE.
Blue bar. Schmear. 5.
It's gonna get a 5 from me as well.
Okay, so what's next?
Cherry!
It's
red!
It's raspberry.
Same shit.
It's not the same shit. A little bit more flavor, 5.5.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Next
Next we got orange!
orange, yeah. That one's 6. Still more flavor that
8
time.
for me.
Really? What's next?
Lemon. Lemon!
And you get to do grape. Anyways, lemon.
I'm gonna give it a 1.
Yeah, same. There was like nothing in that. Grape.
Why don't you have a grape?
There was like only 2 grape that was in that pack.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What are you gonna... Oh, jeez. What are you gonna give the grape?
Grape's gonna get an 8.5.
Yeah. Next, we have...
What are you gonna give grape?
I know I didn't have it, so... The ratings... I don't know.
Just give it an NA. Dude, just give it an NA, because...
Not available.
Not applicable.
Anyways, now we got... Classic caramel.
Caramel.
Because we all know that caramel is all considered purple.
Cleveland wants to make a caramel-colored baby with Lois.
Dude, just no. Pieces and then... Okay, there we go. What's it taste like to you?
Grape caramel. Ew.
So?
Tastes like shit. Maybe I'll chew on it some more.
As good as that. Okay, what? Look.
Really? You have to over-exaggerate.
Well, actually, my throat was actually really bothering me.
Oh.
So,
Come on, give me a minute.
does it like taste different now?
Okay, the first one tastes more on the lines of grape.
Uh huh.
This one tastes more on the line of Buckley's.
Buckley's?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why I don't mind it. I don't really mind Buckley's anymore. I'm gonna give it a 6.5.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
Okay. Okay,
What's
sweeties.
What's next?
The last item on the list. That's what's going on. Darn it.
What?
Yay, my favorite gum. Thrills. The
Soap flavored gum.
Yes.
Can I have 2?
2.
2.
Okay.
No!
I'll just have 1. Oh man. Well, you're gonna do it? Okay.
What?
A wee moe, 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 a wee moe. In the jungle, mighty jungle, lions.
No! It worked for the Borderlands 2 commercial. It doesn't work for this. It also works with Tarzan too.
Anyways, to be honest, it's not really like soap flavored. Well, it is technically. Just think of soap plus grape into gum.
I don't really taste the grape. I taste more on the lines of soap.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No, it tastes kind of grapish to me.
Nothing else that you have in that fridge?
No, that's for next episode.
Oh.
So, what's your rating on the thrills?
I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10. 10. 10.
30.
30 what?
You keep saying 10. You said it 3 times.
Oh, I'm gonna keep saying it. 10.
40.
10,
50,
10,
60,
10,
70,
10, 10.
90.
And that's all it's gonna get. Just stop it. Stop what?
I don't know.
Stop saying 10. 10.
20.
Start all over. That's the episode of What's in My Fridge. That's about it. It's just bye. 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 Here's the out thing. We're just gonna do this.